third missile to request extract.
We'll be about 25 minutes. Let's make sure we know what the Army standard is.
So that's if somebody showed up to do a lap.
And he has one as well. Might be into his line.
So, like, tell me about the training that you went through to be...
This is an 8-1 on the 826U. And that's all I've seen so far. Other than that...
So just
I feel like I'm an important piece of the unit, being that I get to live fire with another country, with different countries out here at the same time. I feel like I'm a bigger aspect of the unit, being that I get to fire one of the first missiles over here. We've been here since about last week, so we've been working with them since the day we got off the bus, the airplane, on to now. So I feel like we can learn more from them, and they can learn more from us. So it's a good thing that we come together. It's a real serious thing, but it's more exciting for us because it's our first time doing it. So it's really like, we're kind of excited, but we're real serious about it too. So
this is my first time being overseas with the military. I think everybody's excited because this is a great opportunity to show other countries what we can do. I'm excited to shoot 12 out of 12 and see other weapon systems, other anti-aircraft weapon systems. I think it's very important to see what other countries can do and how they train and see what we train in order to improve it. I think we benefit from learning from other people, like how they do things and how we do things, and you'll get another perspective of like, okay, maybe this is another better way to do things, or maybe it's not a good way to do things. It's a good benefit, I think.